Hey guys, welcome back to the League Scoop where every story matters. So before we get into this trendy topic, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and also turn on post notification bell to be notified whenever we drop a brand new video. You'll be the first to know. So influencer Drezel and her ex Chad has been going back and forth on social media. And apparently, Chad is not taking the breakup really well. So, therefore, he came on social media spilling some serious allegations about Giselle. And this is some of what he has to say.
Boy, oh boy, oh boy. All your chance here from the drama. Can you imagine? Forgive them, Lord. They don't know what they have done. I see the file and when me I go drop you now.
So apparently Chad had a lot to say about Giselle. So I'm just going to give you guys a rundown of some of what he said about her. He was saying allegedly she sells her body. She steals his chain. She doesn't know who her baby father is. Bank is looking for her car, and that he had to put her out the house, and she keeps coming back. And the list goes on and on. And he also said she tries to kill him. So yeah, he said a lot. He keeps ranting and ranting, and Giselle has finally answered. So Giselle came with a YouTube video addressing every single allegation Chad made against her, and she did not only address it, she came with receipt, guys. She came with receipts, okay? So I'm just gonna play some of the clippings. I'm not gonna play everything. So if you want to watch the full video, you can go on over to Drezel channel and watch the entire thing. I'm just gonna play clippings of some of the videos and give you guys my take on it.
This is something that I don't usually do. I'm not somebody that would come on the internet and clear up rumors or make videos or address any matter as a matter of fact. But when lies spread and begin to damage my name, reputation, safety, and character, then silence is no longer an option. I would like to clear up the chain allegations. So a few days back, I was sent some screenshots that my ex had made mention that I stole his chain. I would first like to say that those allegations are false. His chain is not in my possession in any way, shape, or form. We had a house together that he had the chain at, and I moved out of the house. When I moved out, I brought police to the house to help me in the process of moving, and they were there in the presence the entire time, and I did not take his chain.
In that video, she was saying that's another one of his lies. She did not steal his chain. The chain is not in her possession. And also, when she was moving out, police was present at the vicinity with her the whole time. And she also has a evidence of the encounter. So I'm just gonna play that voice footage for you guys and let you guys be the judge.
Around $1 million chain. I have so much things that cost more than a $1 million chain.
Then where you go?
Oh, I'm broke, it's full time broke. Excuse me, I'm nothing touching on my face. So I'm not touch nothing, touching on my face.
Well, the chain just walk by itself then. So, you know every time you have it, you just get up and walk there.
Can you watch me while I'm out, please?
No, come away just and scared.
You just said about the bag, I'm looking at one bag them already.
You're looking at handbag. Officer, I am betting you $100,000 for the necklace.
Look in there.
You know, cut me care because $100,000, so I'm not even about this. So just relax.
No, me not getting about the money because apparently I'm a fan. He doesn't know why I'm a fan. I'm a fan.
No, we go search your bag, you know. But what me want him to understand is that
never use stereotype a person based on how you see them, how you see them look like. I don't need your apologies now because I never feel like you need to apologize based on what you said before.
Then if we see I help somebody with bag, come out.
It doesn't matter. She's a human being.
Tomorrow me call him.
And I was here.
No.
Wait.
So if me that help her come out in the bag, you're going to say I look her? No. No, so that's what I'm saying.
No, be logical and realistic now.
Okay, so what
Because his remarks are, oh, social influencer.
So based on the recordings, you can clearly hear him in the background asking the officers to search her bags, and they did not found any chain.
He made a report that I assaulted him or abused him or whatever of the sort. Right? He said that I bit him and I pulled a knife on him. Okay? I did bite him. That's the truth. But why did I bite you? To the room asking for my car keys and the grill keys. He refused to give me them, and we were face to face. He was still arguing with me until him chopped me. So I had to chuck him back. Him chopped me, chuck him back, and we started to fight. I had a friend on the phone that he had called to squash the situation. He was talking to her when I came out of the room, and while I was speaking to her, she was like, Drezel, take up the Bible, read a Bible verse, pray, because the devil in the house, and while I was on the phone with her, I took up the Bible and I started to read. The more I read the Bible, is the more he started to shout. He started to get angry to the point where he said he has videos and photos of me that he's going to release on the internet. So I started to say, no, give me a phone, delete them, delete the videos, delete the stuff. He's saying like, no, I'm not deleting them, da 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 da. And I'm like, where you get these videos from, whatever. He said he took them from my phone and my tablet. And we're there arguing over the videos and the things that he should have deleted, and it got physical. He grabbed me around my neck and I bit him. Bite him on his hand. If you're going to assault me, I'm going to defend myself. I'm not gonna make no man put them hand on me and it just slide like that. If me go down fighting.
Okay, so apparently Chad forgot to tell us that part, because if you try to hurt somebody, them have all the right to defend themselves. So, now we can't see why you get the bite.
Only way you can hurt me, or anybody as a matter of fact, by spreading lies on me and damaging my reputation. Isn't this you?
So Drezel is saying he's doing all of this to tear her down, to tear her brand down, all because he cannot get his own way with her. And she also has a recording evidence of him contradicting himself. Everything that he came out and said, he is contradicting himself in this recording. Like, guys, take a listen, because like, what the hell? He sounds like a manipulator to me. Like, guys, listen and be the judge.
Drop communication with people. Just leave people alone. You want to call me, you can call me, text me throughout the day, whatever. Because that's what I'm going to do with you too. Just leave people alone. I'm going to leave people. Like, I don't want to see nobody, I don't want to hear nobody in front of you. I just, are you my girl? And things, I don't say are you too. So, yeah. Some things have to change, though. Some things have to drastically change. And we just never accept certain things no more. We never. I know saying I sell pussy. Can you imagine me with a girl who sell fucking pussy? Are you crazy? If I'm not even want around because me look on them girls a certain way. Why the hell me that believe in myself? You really believe that me believes they sell pussy? Are you crazy?
So if you don't believe it, why would you come on the internet with such vile accusation about someone? Like, clearly you had an agenda. You do.
Yeah, but when you're vexed, you're right. That's in a text, though.
Get a grip. Get a grip.
Yeah, but Chad, if you claim to say you love me, no level of upset that even you can't tell lies on me.
Just like how you have things to work on.
Yeah, but lying.
Wait, no, just like how you have things to work on. Just when you upset and you say something to me, when time me upset and you abandon me.
You lie for me.
No, I think some dark. I think the worst. I think the dark.
But that like, is not okay.
Just like how I could have tell my mother to listen to me. If they carry me something and they carry, I can burn down the whole house. So.
Oh my God, this guy has issues, because clearly he is the problem. Like, what the heck?
Dark things, and yes, that is why I say we need to take good time. And that is why
me, yes, I need therapy.
That is why I say me and you need to take some time. What is the question?
Have I ever text you or call you tearing you down?
No.
No care how me upset.
Drezel.
Chad, I'm gonna defend the ground where you walk on. And you know what is
just
so
like when we defend the
crazy?
ground where you walk on.
Even if anything that anybody said about you was even true, them couldn't know out of my mouth say it true. To all me that class them same way. Even if. I'ma tell you that over and over again. So how do you think it feel to me if you know say when you're upset,
Listen to this.
you lie upon me and you start
No,
treat me like how people treat me? Like that is not nice.
Listen to this. Listen.
This my way say you're in love with.
And that is wrong. But now I gotta listen. I will text it to you, but listen. Bear in mind, you're not the first very known person I've had relations with. I may never tell you this.
You still know everything about me, right?
Hold on, no. I never tell you this. I'm still don't know if I must tell you.
Really?
Hold on, no. Because it was so... Alright.
Wow, that was a lot to take in. But anyway, guys, she also talked about the whole throwing out of the house. That's a lie. She said that's a big fat lie. No go so, because her name is on the lease. She rent our place. The both of them name is on the lease. So how him for throw her out of the house when the two of them name upon it. So this is some of what she has to say about that.
I leased the house, both our names on it, so how can you throw me out? By law, not even the landlord. The landlord cannot throw me out of the house. The police cannot take me out of the house, and you cannot take me out. I chose to come out because I had elsewhere to go and you didn't. Your parents said you could not stay with them, so you did not have anywhere to go, and I had my own place can go, so I went there.
Wow. So Drezel came and she answered everything. Like she counteract all the accusation he came up with about her. And she also had her receipts. Like she had a whole ton of receipt, guys. I mean, the video is like 50 minutes long. So you guys can go over her channel and watch the entire video because she said a lot. A lot was said. You know, I only took out like bits and pieces of those information. And I mean, leave your thoughts in the comment section below, guys. Let me know what you think about this whole situation, because this whole situation was crazy and is crazy because Chad came out with all these accusations, nothing to back it up, and then Drezel dropped, boom. She dropped everything on the floor and left no crumbs because what? She came with her ammunition. And yeah, I mean, you cannot beat receipts. She had all the receipts, guys. She had them. Oh my God, this is so exhausting. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys, like and share the video, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up on this video. Until then, peace out.